It's time now for our Bite of the Week. This week it comes from Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke. He used part of his presentation on Tuesday to defend the House Speaker after she was criticized by the opposition leader. Here's our Bite of the Week.
In the statement or the speech, you refer to her as the wife, not recognizing her 3-year tenure as Deputy Speaker, and therefore the natural successor is, in my view, disrespectful. It reminds me of when the member from East Portland campaigned in her own right was derogatorily referred to as the wife of Mr. Vaz. And she won't be anything but the wife of Minister Vaz. There's a trend. Of course she's the wife of Minister Vaz. But in the context of the campaign, she was the Jamaica Labour Party candidate for the seat. Don't touch Juliet.
And the primetime package continues with sports right after this break.